happy pony pony.
Hello YouTube, I have to talk really loudly. Or you can't hear me. Well, this is the beginning of our new channel. Myself and Sam. Sam isn't here at this moment. His other channel he made is Sam Skateboard. Sorry. But we had to put our channel, and we wanted to put, make one channel with both of us in it. Just as good measure. And I am ZoomGlass and Mr. Henry 121412141214. I think that's it. Doesn't matter. Check out our other video. Okay. I think Sam's channel has skateboarding and drums and that's mainly it. Mine has funny stuff, pranks, I don't know if this is funny, let's plays. Oh, that's ZoomGlass. And then Mr. Henry 12141214 is kind of a vlog. And this will just be like all of that mixed together, except for the vlog part. And maybe let's play part. But I hope this is a good channel, and check us out. Oh, and also check out Lego Universe. He's my friend, he's really amazing. He's had I don't know, 50 subscribers, and he only has 4 videos. And he made this one of Old Spices Brew. You have to check it out. Well, that's about it. Check out our other videos. I'll be making some soon. So will Sam. And we'll meet up. Oh yeah, I'm Jackson. Bye!
Remember to comment. Like unless you don't like it, in which case you don't dislike, but comment and tell us what you don't like. And to subscribe. I mean, what's the harm? You can always unsubscribe if you hate us. Thanks, and have the day you wish it will be. Also, I didn't make a finishing thing, so... Bye! Wait, no, let me fail sing. I can sing better. This is a fail that I failed intentionally. Monsters from the deep, so epic, so some penguins, some koalas, so epic. Hope this is not enough. Keep on going for another 20 seconds. I need something to fill the space. Go, go, go. Don't forget about Sam. He's also part of this channel.